Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, May 6. Global credit ratings agency FITCH is forecasting 1.1% growth for Jamaica during this calendar year. Growth is expected in agriculture, tourism, and infrastructure. FITCH released a statement saying Jamaica's achievement in hitting fiscal targets was considerable, given the weak economy and the underperformance of revenue. FITCH added that the quantitative targets achieved under the program with the International Monetary Fund were significant, as the majority of fiscal adjustments took place at the end of the last fiscal year. Government achieved a primary surplus of 7.5% at the end of the financial year, up from 5.4% in the fiscal year ending 2012. According to Fitch Ratings, sustaining the current fiscal programs would depend on the authorities' ability to control expenditure. Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Senator A.J. Nicholson has endorsed the call for new global partnerships that will strengthen the development of small island developing states, including Jamaica. The minister was speaking at the opening ceremony for the third meeting of the Caribbean Development Roundtable at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. He said more focus should be placed on climate change and disaster risk management, food security, sustainable energy, social development, health, and non-communicable diseases.
It is only through the identification of integrated strategies for building resilience that our vulnerabilities can be overcome and Caribbean development assured.
Meanwhile, Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips said that for Caribbean countries to reduce their debt and grow their economies, international partners needed to deepen their relationship with regional states.
But I believe, nevertheless, that the basic responsibility is ours in the Caribbean to continue to undertake the adjustments, and we are doing it.
The third Caribbean Development Roundtable was held under the theme Exploring Strategies for Sustainable Growth and Development in Caribbean Small Island Developing States. The event was hosted by the United Nations Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean. The Education Ministry took swift action to restore some level of normalcy at the Taki High School on Monday following a fire at the school. As a result, students of the St. Mary institution are to sit their external exams at the Guys Hill High School, escorted by their principal. This arrangement will remain in place for the duration of the exam period. On instruction from the Overseas Examinations Commission, the vault containing exam papers at Taki High has been relocated to the Guys Hill High School. The ministry says the fire was concentrated in the school's administrative block and affected the staff room, records area, canteen, book room, and multipurpose hall. Education Minister Ronald Thwaites visited the school Monday to see firsthand the extent of the damage. In the meantime, regular classes were suspended for Monday and Tuesday. Meanwhile, Minister Thwaites is asserting that the cornerstone of our education system is the partnership between schools, families, and communities. The Education Minister says it's this partnership among stakeholders that will support children in achieving their potential. The minister's assertion comes as the country celebrates Education Week from May 5 to 10. The theme is celebrating the legacy, activism, service, and patriotism. In his message, Minister Thwaites said the week provided an opportunity to celebrate student achievement and at the same time recognize the dedication and commitment of our education professionals. And finally, the Education Minister has endorsed the initiative to have police officers play a greater role in the re-socialization of communities. He says this aspect of the National Security Ministry's Unite for Change campaign should have a positive impact on community safety and societal values.
Police officers must become keepers of the peace, not only on the beat with baton and gun, but by mentoring and modeling the new order, the new set of values that Jamaica must live by.
Minister Thwaites was speaking at the recent 30th anniversary celebration for the Jamaica Constabulary Staff College. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.